everyone, Karan here from Tech Revs, and today I want to do a review between the UE Wonderboom 3, the Bose SoundLink Revolve 2 Plus. Now you'll be wondering, this is a very weird speaker test combination. The Wonderboom 3 for 6,000, the Bose for roughly 24,000 here in India. At roughly 4 times the cost, we can say. And but I'll tell you one thing, they are very similar in some things, more than you will expect. So let's just get on to the review. Let's start with just how do they look. This is made out of aluminium, rubber on the top. This one's made out of fabric. This speaker, plastic on the top, plastic at the bottom, and cloth material along the side with this loop made out of absolute cloth and some rubber over here. So looking at these two, you can surely make out that this is definitely more expensive, and this is the cheaper version of it, of a Bluetooth speaker. So this is fully 360 degree and this is fully 360 degree audio, and this is where they both are alike. So both are 360 degree audio sounds. This one gives you about 17 to 18 hours of battery life. This one gives you about 14 hours of battery life. So I will also say they are okay on the battery indicator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an audio test between both of them, and we are going to see which one is better sounding. Of course, this will be better. That's what my full expectation is. But how good is this to keep up with the speaker? So let's get into it. I have connected both these speakers, the Bose and the UE Wonderboom 3, with the iPad, and you can see Wonderboom 3 is over here, SoundLink Revolve Plus. I am playing a soundtrack by Fat Rat called Unity. So, and this is the sound level at which we are at. So, maybe something around 50%. So we are going to start with playing through the Wonderboom 3. So I'll keep that speaker in center over here. Let me just push this back a little bit here. And this is centered over here. All right, let's play. Turn for the Bose. Back again to Wonderboom 3, and now we are going to change the music. We are going to increase the loudness to here, whatever this level is. So starting with the Wonderboom 3. over to the Bose. This really comes in alive after that, after 60-70% volume. It feels as if it was just sleeping before that, and really starts becoming loud, and the instrument separation is just spot on. Now I think we'll increase the volume to, let's say, this level, and let's do the same for Wonderboom as well. Now it's roughly matching. So again, we'll start with the Wonderboom 3. I don't think there's anything left to say, to be honest. It's as clear as night and day that this sounds really good. This sounds good for what you pay for it, but this sounds really good. The sound is, it's at another level compared to this. But yeah, if you want something portable, you want something to carry around, this is a great pair of speakers. At the lower level of volume, this can easily keep up with this Bose. But as the volumes creep up, I mean, this definitely is a more competent speaker. There's no two ways about it. Yeah. And if you like this video, guys, like this video, subscribe to the channel, all of that. And there's also the mine links available for this and this, both these speakers, down in the description. I'll suggest you use those links to get the latest updated pricing, and of course it helps the channel out a lot if you use those links, because I will get a certain percentage of that. So that really keeps the channel going, and for me to be able to buy more such new gadgets for all of you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace.